Hello guys, on my last video I talk about how you can install WordPress on your system and your local host system, and one of my follower just mentioned something that is quite a little bit easier. So I will just run through this again so that you can see in 2-3 steps how you can install localhost on your system, and also how you can install WordPress on your system. At the same time, you will be having access to WordPress and also your database system. The first thing you need to do, you need to install the application that we call install localhost. Go on your Google, install localhost server. So when you scroll down, you will see an application called localhost for WordPress, and this is this. So all you need to do is just to download the application. I have the application on my system already. So when you go to the application, when you install it, follow the steps here so that you can install the system. You can install the application properly on your system. So after finishing installing the application, you will see the dashboard of the application this way. So if you want to install a WordPress using this localhost, just come here, click on this plus sign button, you select create new site, you continue, then you give your application a name. Let's say um let's say WordPress site 1. Then you click continue. Then you click continue because it will install a WordPress, complete WordPress with a database for you. And you can also customize if you want to customize. There is a chances for you to customize here. You click on customize, then you click on the type of version of PHP you want to pick, and also the web server. Either you want to use Apache or you're using Nginx, and also the database that you wanted to use. Either you want to use MariaDB, or you want to use MySQL, or you want to use MySQL version 5.728. But we are not going through to customize anything because we are going through how you can install WordPress in just a minute. Then click continue. Then you give your WordPress username. Let's say our username is user. Then our password. Let's say we have user as well. Then you continue. Give it a minute. After some minutes, your WordPress will come up. Then you will be having, you need to just accept this as your system required. So you will be having a complete WordPress one side, and also alongside with your database. I'll be going through how you can have access to your database and also how you can have access to your WordPress dashboard. So this is our new website, which is WordPress site 1. So this is your the configuration of the system. Then this is your database. You have a database here and the tools. So what I want you to have attention here is you have your database here. If you want to have access to your database, you can open your database through this admin. It will launch you your database. This is your database for your application. Then if you want to have access to the site, you click open site. This is your site, which is WordPress WordPress site 1. Also, if you want to have access to your dashboard, you can click on your admin dashboard. Then our site is our username is user, password is user. So guys, when you log into your database, when you log into your dashboard with your username and password, So you have access to your dashboard here where you can create a page. You can also use your PHP knowledge to create a page background, then you import a page your to your admin dashboard here. So let me run you through how you can have access to your site folder. So this is our site. Then when you click on go to site folder, it will take you to your site folder, which contain all the files of your application. So as we said earlier, this is the Nginx database for our application. Then when we go into our application, this is all our raw file. So you can come into your content page, your theme, then you pick your theme that you are using before or you've selected. If you are conversant with WordPress, you understand what I'm trying to explain here. So when you click on your admin, you see all your files. When you click on this folder as well, you see all your files. So that is just basic way of installing WordPress on your local host. So if you have any question, drop your question on my comment below. Try to like my video. I'm just trying to use this one to get people along with how they can develop a website without any coding, without any stress, with less stress. Let me put it that way.